So it's time to clean and condition my Knicks boots. I got these in late August, early September, and I wore them a fair amount in the fall. I haven't worn them so much in the winter time because I have found that these are not very warm boots for the winter time. The soles conduct heat up or conduct cold up in if you're standing on like ice or snow or something like that. And yeah, they're not terrible, but they're not the best winter boots. Let's see. In the care kit that I got for Christmas, that my lovely mother-in-law got me for Christmas, they do have new laces, but I'm going to keep these laces. These laces seem perfectly fine to me. I do want to have spare laces because obviously if your lace breaks, you need a new lace. But I'm going to keep using these. I'm going to keep which side they came out of though, because I want to make sure the false tongue goes back in the same boot. I'd imagine that it's broken into its sides. It's got the side that it likes. The saddle soap came taped shut. I guess they have a tendency to open. It says press here to open, and it goes poink and opens up. So I guess they don't want you to accidentally press there while it's in shipping. Oh, got some goodies down inside. Yeah, nothing too major. Let's get those out though. So this little paintbrush thing didn't work very well for the saddle soap, so get yourself a better brush than that. It did kind of work, but it wasn't great. So I've got a big thing of the Knicks conditioner, but I also got a small one that came with the boots, so I figured I'd use the small one first. And then I'm also going to try waterproofing them. I got this actually from Vermont Glove. It's a waterproofing for leather, because this leather really does suck up moisture. I mostly want the front waterproof because I tend to walk in wet grass a fair amount. I don't really go in puddles with these. At least don't try not to. But anyways, so I'm going to get the conditioner on and then let it sit for a little bit and then do the waterproofing. There, boot 2 is done. probably used half of this little container. So with, rough guess, with this little one that you get with the boots, you can do the conditioning twice. So now I'm going to let them sit and let that work into the leather a little bit. And I'm going to put on the waterproofing. I don't really know if that's the right order. I suppose I could have just put this on, but I think the conditioner will soak into the leather more than the waterproofing will. And so I figured I'd do this first, but I want to let it sit so that this doesn't just fall off or just get... Anyways, so that's my plan. I don't have any footage of me waterproofing the boots. It's basically the same process as the conditioner, so it's a little bit boring. It did work, but I do need to redo it because mud season was really bad this year, and normally I wouldn't wear my Nick's boots in the mud, but I forgot my rubber boots at the Sugar House, so they were my next best pair of boots I had. This sort of mud is really tough on leather, so they should probably be conditioned again, but they're not too bad.